A huge welcome from me to everyone that's watching. I want to do a quick video on how to get bubble-free resin. Now, we don't want a situation like that with thousands of tiny micro bubbles. So what I do is I've got two containers. I put them half full with hot water and stand my bottles of resin in there. So I stood them for about 5 to 8 minutes, and I've now mixed them and put them in my cup, and I'm stirring in sort of a figure eight sort of movement, but very slowly. I'm not taking my stick off the bottom of the cup either. So I'm just having patience, and I'm doing this at a really, really slow pace. And I'm scraping the edges or the sides of the cup very well and bringing that in. Now, you don't want strings in your resin. When you can still see kind of strings there, it's not mixed. You've got to get it to a point of it being crystal clear like glass. It does take patience, but it's so worth it when you're going to do your project. So it's just about there. You can see it's really nice. There's no bubbles, and I'm ready to now pour. So I had an issue with this coaster, and I had to sand it down, and I've now applied that same resin to the top of it, and you can see there is no bubbles in that resin. I'm hardly going to have to use my heat gun at all. So, just take that extra care, that extra time. It's totally worth it. I hope that's helped, and thank you for watching. Thanks so much.